Hello there and welcome back to my new video. So with this video I am going to show you how to use ADB over Wi-Fi to run your application on your real smartphone device. And with that you are not going to need any cable anymore. The only requirement that you need to consider is that your smartphone device is actually connected on the same Wi-Fi network as your PC on which you are running your Android Studio, of course. So without further ado, let me show you. Okay, so now we have our Android Studio opened, and the next thing we need to open up this Devices tab. So let's just click that, and down below you are going to see one option that says pair devices using a Wi-Fi. So click that. Okay, now we have a new window that has appeared on our Android Studio, and here we also have some instructions that we need to follow. So right here it says that we need to now open up developers option on our smartphone device. And now let me just grab my phone and I'm going to enable those options. Okay, so now in my hands I'm holding my smartphone, and now I'm going to open up the settings here. Then I'm going to scroll all the way down until I find the developers options. So just select that. Let's scroll down below a little bit until we find the wireless debugging option. Just enable that. And I'm going to also check this option, always allow on this network. So just click allow now. And we are going to be able to enable this wireless debugging. So there is just one more requirement that you need to consider here. And that is that you need to be connected on the same Wi-Fi network as your PC on which you are using your Android Studio, okay? So now after that, let's just click this wireless debugging option, and we are going to see an option that says pair devices with a QR code. So click that, and now I'm going to just scan this QR code on my Android Studio. And immediately I'm going to receive here this success message, which says that our device has been successfully connected. Okay, now we can close that. And from here, now we are going to be able to see our own smartphone device, which we have just connected. So select that, click run, and now we should be able to run our application on our smart device. Okay, so now we are installing our application, and it should run on our smart device in a few seconds. Okay, so there we go. Now I have successfully run this application, and we don't see here anything because I'm using a dark theme. So let me just switch the theme or the actual display here. So let's change that to light. And now we are going to be able to see this hello world message. So simple as that. And that's everything you need to set up in order to run your Android Studio applications in your smartphone device. So the only requirement that you need to consider is to just connect your smartphone device to the same Wi-Fi network as your PC. Okay, so that will be all for this video. Comment down below and like this video if you find it helpful, of course. And see you in the next one.